Hi guys, so today we'll be solving this problem called valid parenthesis. It's a very famous interview question which is asked in almost all the FANGs. So let's solve it. Given a string S containing just the characters open bracket, close bracket, curly open bracket, curly close bracket, open bracket, close bracket, uh, determine if the input string is valid. So there are three different kinds of brackets that are given. An input string is valid if open bracket must be closed by the same type of brackets. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. So we have to see if the brackets are of the same type and they are closed and they are in the correct order. So these are the two things that we have to check. So for example, here the open bracket is closed by the same type of bracket, so we return true. Here also the same type of brackets are opened and closed. Here the types of brackets which are open and closed are of different types, so we'll be returning false here. Similarly, here also it's not in the correct order, so we'll be returning false. And here we see that it is open and closed by the same type of bracket. So when we see something of some problem of parenthesis, the first thing that comes to our mind is using stack. So we'll be using stack and we'll be just popping out the the element which is inserted, and we'll be checking if the top element which is there in the stack it is the you know the other half of the element which is at the top and which is popped. So we'll be using stack, and I'll just let you I'll just code along and I'll explain the intuition behind it. So we'll be using stack of char call st for char C in S. So what we'll do is that we'll loop to the string which is given to us, and we'll be, if it's an open bracket, no, if it's an open bracket, so we'll be pushing it in the uh, stack. So if it's an open bracket, so there are different three kinds of bracket they have given, right? So we'll be putting those three kinds, and we'll be just pushing them to the stack. Okay, and if there's a close bracket, and we'll be checking if there's only one element which is pushed and we don't have a closing bracket for it, and the stack becomes empty, so we'll return false. And if st dot top, okay, if we have a closing bracket, okay, if we have a closing bracket and st dot top is not equal to a closing bracket of the same type, okay, at that time we'll return false because it is not of the same type, which will be this case, which is not of the same type. The closing bracket is not of the same type. And so similarly, if it's a curly bracket and st dot top is not equal to uh, curly bracket, so we'll return false. If c is equal to close bracket, open bracket, and st dot top is not equal to this, so return false. All right. So these are the conditions which we have checked for the correct order, and also if it is of the same type. So stack will take care of the correct order, and if it is of the same type, these conditions will be taking care of that. So at the else part, we will also pop the element which is there on the top of the stack. All right, um, and then we will simply return if the stack is empty or not, because we know that if the brackets are of the same type, and it will be popped and we'll be having a stack which is empty. So if it is empty, then the string is valid, and if it is not empty, then the string is not valid. Let's run the code. Yeah, that works. All right. So hope you guys understood the problem. It's a very easy problem and a very famous problem which is asked in a lot of interviews. So thank you.